Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've got DevTools open and the profiler ready. Start by focusing on a single user interaction. Click Record, perform the exact UI action you want to measure, and stop when finished. Once done, name the trace for reference and make sure to reproduce consistent input so comparisons are valid. If you need repeatability, use a script or manual checklist. This immediate trace is your baseline. Capture it before making any optimizations so you can measure real improvements. Now you analyze the data. Scan the flame graph to find long bars and deep stacks because those show expensive renders. Use the commit tree to see how renders map to user actions and switch to rank to find the slowest components quickly. Once you identify suspects, inspect props/state changes and the wasted renders indicator to see avoidable work. Make sure to filter by the interaction you recorded so you aren't chasing unrelated commits, and export traces if you need to compare runs. Make targeted changes based on the hotspots. Wrap pure components with memo, stabilize handlers with use callback, split large components, or virtualize long lists. Once done, rerun the exact same interaction and compare commits, durations, and wasted renders to confirm improvement. If you still see inconsistent numbers, remember one key troubleshooting tip. Profile using a production build or disable React strict mode's double render to avoid misleading duplicates. Repeat the measure change verify cycle until performance meets your goal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.